Lately, it feels like every developer on Twitter and YouTube is screaming that if you aren't using an AI agentic editor like Cursor, Windsurf, or Anti-Gravity, you're basically coding in the Stone Age. But is that true, or are we all just being sold a really expensive dream? Let's talk about what's actually happening here. It's been more than a year now since these agentic code editors started showing up. They aren't just smart, they are agentic. That's a fancy word that means the AI doesn't just suggest words, it tries to do the job for you. A lot of developers have tried them out and love it, because let's be honest, coding has some really boring parts. Nobody wants to write a complex regex or a helper function that formats a date string. AI is amazing at these small tasks. It's faster and often better than a developer. So are those new code editors the new thing now? Maybe this is just a trend. You know, like when everyone thought NFTs were the future, because here is what might happen. People will start seeing more and more badly built apps made entirely by AI. Apps that look good on the surface but are held together with duct tape. And when that happens, developers might just go back to learning the old school way, like watching coding tutorials. Now, let's talk about something interesting, the community effect. Choosing an editor isn't just about the code anymore. It's a psychological switch. When you download Cursor or Anti-Gravity, you aren't just getting a tool. You're joining a club. Cursor and Anti-Gravity, they are driven by their communities. And the thing about developers is that we follow what the community does. You see everyone on Twitter talking about Cursor. Your favorite YouTuber is using Windsurf. Suddenly, you feel like you're missing out if you're not using these tools. These AI code editors, at the end, they are products, and you are the customer. The people behind Cursor or Anti-Gravity, they are running a business, and their job is to convince you that life will be so much easier if you just buy their product. Use our tool and you'll build apps easily, make money easily, launch your SaaS in a day. Those companies leverage social media to create drama and trend, like Anti-Gravity is deleting files it's not supposed to, or Cursor is stealing your data. This is just companies trying to steal customers from each other by spreading fake news. At the end of the day, these are just products and you as the developer is the customer. So is VS Code really lying? Honestly, no. I don't think so. Will some developers switch to AI editors? Sure. And for some people, those tools will work great. But the core skill of actually understanding code, that's never going away. Use AI tools for what they are good at. The boring stuff, the repetitive tasks, but don't let AI do all your thinking for you. Alright, that's it for today. What do you think? Are you Team VS Code or Team AI Editor? Let me know in comments.